There's a couple things I've found out that might be useful. I don't know about Canvas. Here's one thing that I found just kind of through trial and error. If I'm creating something, say I'm going to create a quiz, and I want to embed my PowerPoint, or anytime I want to show my Google Slides. That's what I was having trouble getting Google Slides into a somewhere the kids can see it without having to download it. If I take anywhere I can have any kind of little text box, if I go to my Google Slides and say I'm going to take this introduction slide I have, I want to go to File, to Publish to Web. You can change your settings here, however long it changes. That doesn't really matter. I'm going to say Publish. It's going to give me OK, and it's going to give me this weird looking thing here, which I'm going to copy. Now, if I go into Canvas, I change this to an HTML editor, and I paste that code in here. When I scroll back down and I tell it to save, now when the kids see this, it's going to look like this. It's going to show up as an embedded in my instructions or whatever. It's going to show up here as an embedded file, and they can click through it just like they would any kind of thing, anything else. So now you're getting your slides to your kids without having to download them. And if I want to make this a quiz, I can go in and add questions however it does it. I'm not going to do this because I've already done this quiz, but that's a good example of that. So if we go back to quizzes, something I've already made, I can give you an idea of what I did. Unit 1, Part 1 quiz. If we see what the kids are seeing, they're seeing my video, which I created using Screencastify. That's my lecture. Here's my notes. Here's some questions they went through. The other thing I found handy, if I want to take this quiz and I want to share it with everybody else on my team, I can take this quiz, I can share it. It's hard to see, guys. I can take my quiz. Let's take this one. I can take my quiz and I can share it to the Commons. It gives me some options I can do here. Normally, I can make it only available for Nacogdoches people. I can make it publicly available if I wanted to. I've been changing this to public domain. I don't really know why. You have to put some kind of description in here, or it won't let you do it, and you actually have to add some kind of image in here, or it won't let you do it. And then once you do that, you tell it to share. You can set it on grade level if you want. There's several options you can do. You can do it to share. And then once I do that, now it's going to show up where other people on my team can find it. It takes a little bit to show up there. But if you go into Commons and you search for filter and just search for stuff that's created by Nacogdoches ISD, you can find it there. It's down here. It won't let me get there because of the screen sharing thing I'm doing. But it'll get there, or you can just search for it, and that's how you can find stuff and share stuff with your team. Just stuff that I've come up with. Just if it's helpful, use it. If it's not, don't. But I just thought I would share.